If your stomach still sticks out, even though you're exercising, the problem might not be your stomach at all. It might be your posture. And today, I'm going to show you 4 simple movements that can help you stand taller, activate your core, and build real strength from home. No gym, no equipment, and no exhausting workouts. A lot of women think they need longer workouts, more sweat, more intensity, more suffering, but that's usually not what's missing. The missing piece is often movement quality. When your posture improves, your core starts working the way it's supposed to. When your core works better, your body feels stronger. And when your body feels stronger, consistency becomes much easier. These 4 movements take about 5 minutes. They're beginner-friendly, and together they train some of the most important movement patterns your body needs. Let's start with the first one, the push-up. Or more specifically, the version of the push-up that's right for you. Most women avoid push-ups because they think they're not strong enough. But push-ups aren't a test, they're a tool. Start with a wall, or a countertop, or a sturdy table. Keep your body in a straight line. Lower slowly. Push away with control. That's it. You're building strength in your chest, your shoulders, your arms, and your core. And every week that movement gets easier. But here's something most people never realize. Push-ups aren't just about stronger arms. They're also helping you fight the rounded forward posture that comes from sitting all day. And that's where the real transformation starts. Now let's move to squats. One of the most useful exercises you'll ever learn. Because squats aren't just an exercise, they're a life skill. Every time you sit down, stand up, pick something off the floor, or climb stairs, you're using this movement. Place your feet about hip-width apart. Push your hips back, keep your chest lifted, and stand up with control. If you're new to squats, use a chair. There is absolutely no shame in that. In fact, it often helps you learn better technique faster. Focus on moving well, not moving fast, because quality creates progress, and progress builds confidence. But now we come to the movement that surprises most beginners, the one that often creates a stronger core without a single crunch. It's called the bird dog. Start on your hands and knees. Reach one arm forward. Extend the opposite leg behind you. Pause briefly, then switch sides. Simple, but incredibly effective. Because your core's main job isn't creating six-pack abs. Its main job is stabilizing your body while you move. That's exactly what this exercise teaches. You should feel controlled, balanced, steady, not rushed, not shaky, just strong. And that brings us to the final movement, the plank. The exercise almost everyone knows, but very few people do correctly. The goal isn't surviving as long as possible. The goal is creating tension. Squeeze your glutes, brace your core, keep your body long and strong. Even 20 seconds with great form can be more effective than a minute with poor form. Remember, strength is built through quality, not punishment. Now imagine repeating these 4 movements every morning, just 5 minutes. You're teaching your body to move better. You're improving posture. You're activating muscles that often stay asleep all day. You're building strength that actually helps in real life. And most importantly, you're creating a habit that's sustainable. Because real transformation doesn't come from one perfect workout. It comes from small actions, repeated consistently. Try this routine for the next 7 days. Pay attention to how you stand, how you move, how your body feels. You might be surprised by how much changes from just a few minutes each morning. And if you're looking for beginner-friendly fitness that helps you build toned arms, better posture, more confidence, and real strength without toxic fitness advice, make sure you subscribe. And let me know in the comments, which of these 4 movements feels the most challenging for you right now?